Hello, my name is Carlos Vaquero. I am a student industrial engineer from UNAD. My document. Mexico, Mexico City. Mexico City is the capital of Mexico. It is the most populous city in the country and pleasant to visit for its main tourist attraction, gastronomy and culture. Why it is one of the favorites for hundreds of tourists who take advantage of their holiday. What to do? Mexico City begging youth is should a bike city. You can carry out multiple activities or visit some very emblematic places, such as Chapultepec Castle, visit the Basilica of the Guadalupe, go to the Teotihuacan Pyramid, and visit the Tequila Museum. I am sure you will not regret. Travel tips. To enjoy all the wonders that Mexico offers, you have to take into account some of the following tips. The following is eating tacos on the streets. They are the best walking tours. The Zócalo, drinking beer, and the industry tequila. In addition to this is a trip for at least two people, so I recommend you travel with a good company. Superstitions. In Mexican culture there are main beliefs, rituals, and specialty superstition will lead you to most relevant superstition in Mexico City. Throwing salt over your shoulder if you spill salt on the floor will be you bad luck. You should never drop an omelette. If you drop an omelette in the loaves, this will make a very interesting visit. Where to go? Going to Mexico is a spectacular thing since it is a city open to tourists and its spectacular climate make you stay more pleased. We advise you to visit it at the beginning of the year. The best time to travel in January in the weather is cool. Where to stay? Mexico offers you variety of places to stay. Among ways you can find hotels and Airbnb with very place according to their economic resource. And night hotel costs around the 350 Mexican pesos, and night in the Airbnb costs around the 2090 Mexican pesos. What to do that? The typical food from Mexico is very delicious and preserves its tradition. Street food is the best. In Mexico, you can find taco promotions for around 80 or 120 Mexican pesos. What to do during? Mexico is one of the countries that have the best drinks. Among these, you can find tequila and modelo beers. Transportation. The transportation more used in Mexico is the taxi and tourist bus. A taxi ride costs 118 Mexican pesos, and tourist is around 250 Mexican pesos. Language. In Mexico, spoken Spanish. In Mexico, there are around the 68 indigenous languages. But in Mexico City, the main language is Spanish, and in the hotels, the workers speak English very well. Currency. The currency used in Mexico is the Mexican peso, of course. If you bring dollars, they can also the exchange at the exchange office or received hotel and restaurant. Tipping. Mexican people are very active and nice. They are why expected you to guide them up tip. Thank you.